Hello everybody! We are hitting the road again, this time to Lake Tahoe. So join us on our family fun-filled vacation. Lunch break at Chick-fil-A at 106 degrees Fahrenheit weather. And we're here. So let's go ahead and take a tour of our Airbnb. The bathroom, the bedroom, kitchen, the stairs, our dining room. This is the living room. It's really dark. Can we put on the lights? And there's the living room. There's a patio. Let's go up the stairs.
Whoa! Yo! Whoa!
Bedroom. Whoa! This is like, what is that? Like a, oh, shower and laundry. Okay. Whoa! And there goes the Bailey. Oh. I think the kids are over there, yeah?
Yeah.
Bedroom. Where's the lights here? What the? We're not sure where the lights are.
I call this bed.
Yeah.
I think it's behind the door.
Behind the door? No, it's not behind the door. Huh. No, huh?
Oh, it's right here.
We're trying to figure out the light situation.
Is there
Nope.
no lights? There's no lights, cause yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Kuya, come here. There's 4 bunk beds and there's 4 beds in there. Bunk beds.
Okay. All right, so I'm just going to take a quick walk around the neighborhood with Bailey so he can do his business in nature. now is the tacos.
Putang inang sarap!
Parang scripted na yung may feeling, may feeling.
You like it? All right, so dinner is done, and tomorrow we'll be spending a full day here in Lake Tahoe with semi-planned activities in mind already. So I may or may not continue this video into tomorrow. Don't forget to stay tuned for that video. This is actually the first time that I have ever been to Lake Tahoe on the summer or during a summer. I've always just been here during the winters, and today is July. It's actually 4th of July weekend, and it is pretty warm, about low 80s, and it is beautiful. It's so clear, and the water, the lake is so charming.